So this is part 2 of the first video. I don't know why my phone cut out. But anyway, we're looking at this picture for acid rain. So the picture is kind of cut off, but what you can see is pollution from the factories going into the air. Then it starts to come down as condensation in rain or snow in any of these forms. It gets into, as you can see, the trees, it kills the trees. But then the water also seeps down into the water table and it gets into the rivers and the lakes. Okay, that's not good because that can affect the fish as well, and the plants and the animals that are in the water. A different picture that I have here, it's a little bit more graphic. You've got this really heavy pollution coming out of the factory. Then as it rains back down, you can see there's some healthy trees left, but there's also a lot of trees that are dead because of it. So my main point being is that human modification of the environment is not a good thing in most instances. Okay, we can damage the environment in a lot of ways, and we are damaging the environment. And the reason we learn about this stuff is so that you guys can know that there are things that we can do to help protect the environment and to do things differently to keep it safe for future generations. Like when we talked about different types of fuel, like this factory doesn't need to be coal. You could have wind power, you could have thermal energy, you could have hydropower. But like we talked about before, there's always negative impacts to some of those things as well. Even if they're renewable forms of energy, they can still impact the environment in some way. It's just they are safer for it in most ways.